salute! Hello everybody, today we make a shrimp francese. For the ingredient we got butter, spaghetti, parsley, lemon, flour, shrimp, flake hot pepper, wine. I got 1 egg, black pepper, oregano, and salt. The shell, the shrimp, I got on the stove, I make the stock, the fish stock. Now, so you don't want to make the fish stock, you can use a chicken stock, or you can buy already done the fish stock. Okay, now I want to show you the clean the shrimp like I did the other one. The only thing you do, this is the shell, you pick it up for the, over here for the back, not the back, the front, it's the belly side, and you take the tail out. After what you do, take the shrimp, and you gotta go little deep, okay, you gotta make butterfly like I did the other one. And you have to make sure the wash, everything you gotta be like this. See? Nice, clean. Okay, now I want to see the flour and the egg. And the flour I put little oregano. And I put little oregano, an egg. We need a little salt. A little salt on the flour. A black pepper. A black pepper on the flour. And you need a little flake pepper. This is too small, would be a little big. No big, okay, it's enough. Okay. And now I want to scramble this egg, and I got a little water. And you put it together. And now we scramble this egg. And now this is the flour. I want to mix a little bit. Now I'm not using not over here the shrimp because already we got all the spice and the flour and the egg. Okay, now we start with the shrimp. And we put flour like that. And we put right over here the egg. And we do all the shrimp the same thing like I do this one over here. And one time you put on the flour and the egg, you put on the dish. And after that, we gotta go on the stove and we gotta start fry the shrimp. Okay, this is the last two. And we put it right on this dish. Now, I gotta wash my hands. You gotta wash good. I don't want the figli se Pasquale, you touch the fish. Okay, we got the gas on. Now we put oil. Olio di oliva. Look at beautiful color. Alright. Now when this is warm up, we start with the shrimp. Alright, now we start with the shrimp. We put a piece of butter. Okay, now on the other side we turn. Okay, now we take the shrimp out and we put right over here on this dish. This shrimp, it look really delicious. Now it comes the good part to do this shrimp. Now everybody see this? You see why? This is the fish stock I make. See the shell of the shrimp? A celery, carrots, onion, everything. Bell leaves I put inside. A little salt. Now we put butter. The butter is melt, and now we need a little flour. Okay. And we turn the flour. All right, look at that. Melt really good. Make sure it not burn. I want this really, really good. And now it's time. Hey, my wine. I don't want to miss my wine. Okay. I got my glass. See, now everything gets by glass. Chin chin. Salute everybody. A salute. Really good. Nice cold. And now you see this wine? It's a dry wine. It goes really good with this recipe, especially with the fish. But this wine, it got everything. Now we put the lemon. All right, now we make it good to taste the flour, the lemon, and the butter. We gotta use the fish stock. Okay, we start like this. Sunny the more, I got more, and we use. Now this pots over here, it's for the pasta. And when it boil, we cook the pasta, and the fish be ready at the same time with the pasta. Now we leave boil this all together. It come out. Okay, the water boil. Now we need the salt. I put one. It's enough salt. And this is the pasta. Okay, and the pasta now you gotta cook about 7-8 minutes. Okay, I think I need a little bit more fish stock. And we put more. Okay. But see, you don't got a fish stock or you don't got chicken stock, keep the water for the pasta and you pour it. Okay, now the spaghetti it's almost ready and we put back the shrimp and the sauce over here. And we give a nice turn to warm up really good the shrimp. At the same time, we got a parsley, fresh parsley, and we put over here together. Okay, look how beautiful looking now. Everything delicious. Okay, now the pasta is ready. Turn the gas off, and I want to make it really close for the shrimp over here. And we take the pasta out now. Look how beautiful. Okay, now we give a nice turn for the pasta. Now I'll leave it finish the pasta cook together about 1 minute. The pasta is done. And now it's a time of me to taste. Oh, look how beautiful. And the shrimp, a little parsley. Really good. Look at the shrimp, are beautiful. A little better. The shrimp, perfect to cook. Chin chin, salute, everybody. Thank you very much.